Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this bonus video, we are going to learn about RGB and CMYK. Understanding this will help you avoid most common beginner mistakes. RGB and CMYK are simply different color systems. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. It's a light-based system and it's usually made for screens. It is how colors are displayed on phones, laptops, TVs, and digital screens. RGB colors usually appear brighter and more vibrant. CMYK, on the other hand, stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. This is an ink-based system and it is usually used for print. CMYK colors tend to appear slightly less vibrant on screen compared to RGB. So, to change your color mode in Illustrator, you open your Illustrator, then you go to Create New. Then on color mode here, you can change it to CMYK or you can do RGB. So the reason why when I change to CMYK this comes, it is because under my recent items I chose web. So when you choose web, it will automatically have the RGB color. When you go to print, it will automatically have the CMYK color mode. So when I click on my size that I want to use and then I go to create, my document is in CMYK mode. Now, what if you've opened a document and you want to change the color mode after you've opened? You just come here, then you go to document color mode and then you change to RGB color. Now, I want to show you how different color modes can change the color of a given design. Let us import something here. Let me try to reduce it a little. And let me try to do this because I want us to see this properly. So this particular design is in RGB. When I change the color mode, when I go to File, Document, Color Mode, and I change it to CMYK, you will see that now the design is less vibrant compared to RGB. So this is how it's going to look when you print it out. So one important thing to note is when you're designing for digital purposes, use RGB. When you're designing for print, use CMYK. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on other videos. Bye!